Good afternoon, everyone. We are going to talk about bivariate analysis today. Bivariate analysis means the analysis of two variables x and y. Look at the slide. What information do we have about this scatter plot? It is the waiting time between eruptions and the duration of the eruption for the old Phase 4 geyser in Yellowstone National Park. We see the trend of the data approach in the same direction. So let's move on to the next slide and go over the concepts of correlation. If the data is dense, the correlation is strong. If the data scatters, the correlation is weak. With positive correlation, the line goes up from left to right. However, negative correlation means going down from left to right. By the way, if there's nothing relevant to variables x and y, we say it's zero correlation. Now, before getting to our main topic, I'd like to show you the scatter plot and the line of best fit by GGB. This is an example from our textbook. We only need to mark these points on the canvas and click the icon, best fit line. We will get the result right away. Isn't it easy? But in math study, we need to learn to figure it out step by step. So according to the data, let's see how we can find the bivariate coefficient and the line of best fit.
Now we know the scatter plot can give an overview of the correlation between two variables. In order to show the relevance of x and y in a figure, the correlation coefficient formula is generated. The value is correlation coefficient is between -1 and 1. We can fill in the numbers in the table to get the value. This value is exactly between -1 and 1. As you can see, the table on this slide is simpler and clear. It's more efficient to use Google Sheet than calculating the data on your own. Now, let me show you how to use Google Sheet to get the correlation coefficient.
Hello everyone. Now we want to find the correlation coefficient through the Google Sheets. First, fill the data into the fields. Then, select the insert from the toolbar. Then choose function. Then choose statistics. Then choose color. Then use the mouse to select all the data of the x variable. Enter a comma. Then select all the data of the y variable. Finally, press enter. Oh, the value of the correlation coefficient is calculated immediately. Good job. Hello everyone.
So we can use a formula to find correlation coefficient and the line of best fit. Here is the formula. We know how to find the line of best fit to analysis bivariate analysis through the formula. Everyone repeat after me. The line of best fit. The line of best fit. Bivariate. Bivariate. What's more, we can visualize this line. Today, we will learn how to use Google Sheet to construct and demonstrate the line of best fit. Let's take a look at example 6. We have two groups of data. One is the length of the forearms, the other is the height. We want to find the relationship between these two data. We have 7 steps to show you how it works. Step 1. Go to Google Sheet. Please type Google Sheet in the search bar. Step 2. Fill in your data and select. Step 3. Insert. Insert means 插入. Step 4. Graph. 图表. Then your screen will look like this after you click the button. And you can see Editor 图表编辑器 on the right-hand side of your screen. Step 5. Click Editor and click Customization. 自定. Step 6, click Series, 系列. Step 7, scroll down and find trend line and check the box. Then, this is an overview of all the steps. And you can review the video if you don't understand. I already uploaded the video to our Google Classroom. That is final result after you finish all the steps. Here comes some question. Question number 1. What do you notice from this graph? The line of best fit. Yes, the line of best fit. Excellent. Average and average. Yes, good job. Question number 2. If you mark all the data on the XY plane, what does that call? Scatter plot. Well done. Question number 3. As you can see, this line best fit doesn't pass through all the data we have. However, if we have another groups of data, is it possible that some of the data are on the line of best fit? Yes, of course. Question number 4 is an open-ended question. Why mu x and mu y is on the line of best fit? Please keep this question in mind. We will leave this question as your homework.
According to the previous explanation, we can use Google Sheet to know whether the data we want to know is positive, negative, or zero correlation. Suppose we want to know the correlation between the average temperature and the rainfall in Kaohsiung. We can go to the Central Weather Bureau to find the information we want to know. First, let's scroll down the climate icon on the homepage of the Central Weather Bureau and click on the monthly average of the climate, which has various information. 所以你们现在看，把这个选项往下拉，这里有非常多的变项有日照时数、最低气温等。那今天我们就是抓气温跟降水量的资料。Moreover, if we want to know the correlation between the average temperature and the rainfall in Kaohsiung, we can call out the information and convert it to bivariate data. Please use Google Sheet to find the correlation. Lastly, we can use Google Sheet to get the correlation of the data we want to know. So now, we have two tasks. Task 1. Why does the line of best fit pass the average of the data? Task 2. Find the topic you are interested in and convert the information to bivariate data and using the skills we learned today to find the line of best fit. Hope you enjoy today's class.